Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to save a password on Google Chrome. So if you want to save passwords in Google Chrome, just click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to where it says settings and click on that. Now on the left hand side, you will find the second option in the list that says autofill and passwords. If you click on that, you have three options: payment method, address, and more, and Google Password Manager. Now this is where you can store passwords. So if you click on that, you'll be able to add new passwords from here. So all you really have to do is click the add towards the upper right hand side here, and you want to enter the website, the username, the password, and if you want to put a note, you can put it and then click and save. Once you do that, you'll have those passwords stored in Google Chrome. As you can see, for example, I have here, I have this card, I have ClickBank, I have that. Now to view these, you'll just simply need to click on it. If you have, for example, password on your PC or a pin set up on your PC, you can go ahead and, let's say, enter that pin lock, or you can enter your admin password to be able to view that. So what's going to happen if I enter that on my PC right here? It's going to allow me to it's going to take me into the details here, and to really view it, all I have to do really is just simply click on the I to actually view it. Here I can see the password, the email address. Here I can see the website, and if I want to see the password, I click on the I right here to show the password. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.